Welcome back to SamFix. Today I got this parcel that I'm trying to open. We are going to discover a new Samsung Grand New Plus. But just be careful, otherwise you will do the same mistake that I have just done, scratching the back side of the phone. In my case, I don't have to worry, as I have to change both the digitizer and the back cover, so I don't have to worry about that at all. I will try to turn this phone on and let's see if it's everything working. Oh, that's a good sign. Alright, so let's start our repair then. So what I like about Samsung that all the time we can just carry on opening the whole phone with our Phillips screws. I don't have to change the screw. I don't have to change the screwdrivers every time. I will try to separate the digitizer from the frame, but it's really not an easy task to do, and I ask you to be very careful as you might destroy both the digitizer and the LCD. I will try to separate all the flex cables from the motherboard and removing it out from the frame. Now it's time to do a little bit of cleaning the frame, so I prepare my LCD and my digitizer to be separated from the frame. So I will heat it a little bit with my heat gun. Make sure that you don't burn your hand or the table. After that, I will try to separate the LCD from the digitizer using my thread. It's a pretty easy task and it doesn't take that much time. Once it is separated, I will make sure to take off the digitizer without breaking any cables or destroying my LCD. If it's got dirty, I will have just to clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol, and then after that finishing the cleaning up using some microfabric towel. I always like to clean up the home button, as this is the place that is collecting most of the dust, and this is the place where we spend most of the time touching. And here we go, this is my beautiful screen and frame. Let's open it up. I have here both the digitizer and the frame. I hope that the frame came with all the components, otherwise I will have to transform everything from my previous phone to the new one. By having a look at it and comparing, I see that I don't have to transform a lot. But we will start up with our speaker. Then after that it's going to be just few things to move in. I will gently remove the screen protector of the digitizer and placing in my home button in place, then putting the digitizer exactly in place. Later I will have just to put back my motherboard and screwing it into its place. This is a straightforward task. All I have to do is to put back all the flex cables into their places. And now the moment of truth. Let's place everything in place, putting back the battery, and let's test it and see everything if it's working. Amazing! It looks like everything is done, everything is in its place, the touch is working, the apps are fine. Yeah, amazing! All I have to do now is shut it down and make sure that I don't miss any screws, that all of them are back into their places. And here we go! This is our awesome phone. It looks like totally like new. Everything is working, everything is clean. All I have to do right now is just use some microfabric towel, clean it up and sell it again. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like such content, if you like these videos, help me, share it, subscribe, like. That will support the channel and will motivate me to make more videos. With that said, thank you for watching. Till another time.